right guys, walking up now. Got the Pride today. Got a leash on our board, so already off to a good start. It's kind of barreling today. There's some guys out down the beach. Drift is pretty bad. Plan is just kind of to ride the drift. We'll probably end up down there too. We made it out without getting smoked, which, again, good start today. Yes! Enjoyable experience there. Went into that closeout, my leash wrapped around my leg and tightened as the board got pulled away from me. Yeah, I tried to come up and my board was over my head and I was able to get a breath and then went back down. And as I was down, I took the leash off my arm, which honestly, that felt great to get the leash off my arm. There's no waves coming, so I was able to get untied, but no part of that very pleasant.